Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from a Lincoln MKZ. First, you'll need to locate the battery, which is uniquely positioned in the trunk of this vehicle. Begin by opening the trunk and carefully lifting the floor cover to expose the battery compartment. Ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged before proceeding with any work. Once the battery is visible, it's time to disconnect the terminals. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. Be sure to keep both cables away from any metal surfaces to prevent accidental short circuits. With the terminals disconnected, your next step is to remove the battery hold-down clamp. This clamp firmly secures the battery in its tray. Depending on your model, it might be a bolt or a strap. Once the hold-down is removed, you can carefully lift the old battery out. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs and use proper lifting techniques. Before installing your new battery, clean the battery tray thoroughly. When installing, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Finally, properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center. This ensures environmental safety and compliance with regulations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.